keep walking. Keep walking. You can ask. You can ask. Jessica, first time on cafe.
Your first time flying cafe?
First time. It's my first time flying cafe. Hold on.
Because they have fruits, they have like mousse, they have like they have matcha cheese.